Hello, folks. It's Destiny Rose here, and I had a question about how to send a guest back some money from a host. And so I'm going to make a quick video, show you how to do that because other hosts may need to know as well. Okay, so basically all you do is you go to www.airbnb.com/resolutions. And once you type that in, you'll come to this page here. Okay. Send money or request money. Now, depending on your circumstance, you may want to send money to your guest, or you may want to request money because they broke your favorite vase. Either way, you can do this, and you can do this to avoid having to do an insurance claim or, the deposit claim and stuff like that. Because if someone broke your favorite vase, they may just go ahead and pay the $20, so you can request the $20. And likewise, they can send you money as well. Okay, so if the guest needs to send you money because maybe they are bringing 2 extra guests after they booked, any number of reasons, but that's just an example. So if they need to send you money after they booked for a couple more guests or whatever, then they can send you money here by clicking send money. You can send that money, and it works both ways, back and forth. Now you just need to keep an eye on it because every request needs to be approved. Okay, so once you've opened the resolution center and done this, you'll want to go back to be sure that you've clicked all the links that you need to click in order to continue with the process of the money transaction. Okay, so if there's anything else you need or any questions for videos that you would like this one was requested, go ahead, and if you don't know how to do something, let me know below in the comment section and I can show you how to do that. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm always happy to help, and I hope you have a very happy rest of your day and happy hosting.